Hello everyone. Take a cup, make multiple slits on it, and then take some jute thread and wrap it up alternatively in each of them. Add a handle at the top and lace at the edges. Now start off by taking a bottle and then cut off the top edge of it. Then at the bottom and the top, stick this jute thread in this particular design. Now open it and close it as you please. You may store whatever you please into it. You may also keep it a handle. Next, cut a bottle, take the bottom portion of this bottle and then add these tubes around it. Line it with any sort of thread. Take multiple of these sticks and then alternatively wrap it around as such. Then add a little plant at the top. This will act as the lid of the jar. Take an empty container, then take the bottom portion of it, add some cloth to the bottom as such. Then add sticks to the top, take some jute thread and then line it alternatively. For the top, add handles and then wrap that with jute as well. Line it with lace and then add a flower in the front. Take a little container, take multiple of these bendable tubes and then add it on the outside. These tubes are made out of wire. Next, take your jute thread, wrap it around each of the wires until you reach the top. Take the wires and then make a lid out of it as such. Make a lid with a handle. Add a bow around it. Take multiple strips of cardboard and then take jute, line it around it. Stick it and make a frame out of it and then stick some black cloth or any colored cloth at the back of it. Add your frame in picture into the frame. You may also decorate it all around. Once you are done, you may add the picture. Take a bottle, cut out the bottom portion of it, then line it with some cloth. After you have lined it, once again take some jute and then alternate it. At the top, add some lace out of it as well. You may also do this at the bottom. Add a bag inside and then add a handle. You may store things in it. Thank you for watching.